Microsoft's Copilot for Microsoft 365, a powerful generative AI tool, is making waves for its potential to enhance operational efficiency. QNET, an early adopter, addressed initial AI adoption concerns through workshops, highlighting Copilot's value. The tool streamlines tasks, reducing time and boosting productivity. QNET adopts a phased user approach, expecting testimonials on Copilot's benefits by early 2024. Industry giants like Visa, BP, Honda, Pfizer, and Chevron, along with trusted partners, Accenture, EY, KPMG, Kyndryl, and PwC, have embraced the tool since its November 2023 launch. Personalization features allow users to tailor the tool to their needs, and new capabilities enhance collaboration in Microsoft Teams, solidifying Copilot's role as a valuable asset in the evolving landscape of AI-driven productivity tools. Looking for more text information? Subscribe to Sophie.